Good morning, everybody. Today we have to deal with the factors affecting price elasticity of demand. Dear students, in the last class we discussed about kind or degree of price elasticity. So after command over the different degrees of price elasticity of demand, we have to deal with the factors. What are the factors affecting price elasticity of demand? See, the factors affecting price elasticity of demand. The factors affecting price elasticity of demand. The first factor is availability of close substitutes or number of close substitutes. Our first availability of number of close substitutes. See, what happens if there is close substitute available in the market and vice versa? If there is lacking to have close substitute of the product in the marketplace. But you are aware regarding the substitute product. Two or more products are said to be substitute to each other. Two or more products are said to be substitute to each other if the selection of one prevent the selection of others, or you can say use of one product will prevent the use of other product. Mean we have to select such type of product which can replace the utilization of other product. The perfect example of substitute products are substitute goods. The ideal example is tea and coffee. Dear students, see what's happened if there is close substitute available and if there is lacking to have. If there is availability of close substitutes, if there is a rise of price, suppose we are talking about the elasticity of tea. What's happened if price of tea will rise, but price of coffee remains constant? Since we are aware, tea user can replace their choice by selecting the second product, that is coffee. If there is sudden rise in price of tea, some consumers may shift or may prefer to purchase coffee in place of tea. So, since increasing price in tea severely will affect the demand for tea, because most of the consumer will shift onto the coffee. So, demand for tea due to rise in price of tea will more affected. So, availability of close substitute can lead elasticity of demand. I mean, if there is availability, elasticity will higher. If there is unavailability of substitute, elasticity is low. So, or number of close substitute, higher the number of close substitute, higher the elasticity. Lower the number of close substitute, lower the elasticity. You can check the demand for one ideal daily use products for the student like ballpoint pen. See, a variety of products are available in the market to replace your preferred brand. So, if there is certain rise in prices of your preferred brand, you can easily search other brand products from the marketplace because there is no crisis of substitute. Means large number of substitutes available for pen or pencil. So there is higher elasticity for the product. If there is lack of substitute in the market, there will be no impact on demand of the product due to change in its price because there will be no other choices of the product for the consumer in the market. So the availability of close substitute easily affect the elasticity of demand. If it is available, there is higher elasticity of demand. If substitutes are not available, lower elasticity of demand. See, the second factor is proportion of total expenditure on the product. Proportion of total expenditure spent on the product. See, what it can affect further demand of any product if there is higher proportion of total expenditure spent on the product by the consumer. There will be higher elasticity. If a lower proportion of total expenditure spent by consumer, there should be lower elasticity. How you can prove? You can prove through certain example. See one perfect example for a student. Use and throw pen. In our local market, price of and use and throw product pen product is varying from ₹2 to ₹5 per unit. If you wish to compute the proportion of expenditure on your use and throw pen with respect to total monthly expenditure of your family, what will you find? You may find that there is lesser proportion of total expenditure spent on these products, since you can say negligible proportion of total expenditure you can spend to purchase the use and throw pen. So there will be less impact on demand for this type of product due to change in its price. अब इसकी प्राइस कोई भी चेंज हो, कितनी भी चेंज हो, डिमांड पर इफेक्ट तो होगा, बट इट मस्ट बी लोअर. सो लोअर द proportion of total expenditure, lower the elasticity. Higher the proportion of total expenditure, higher the elasticity. See, for the higher proportion expenditure, price of TV set, price of personal computer, a smartphone, a luxurious car, etc. Whenever you talk or you calculate the proportionate expenditure on this type of product by your family, you found there is higher proportion of expenditure spent on this product. Since there is high proportion of total expenditure, there will be higher elasticity. Means lower the proportion, lower the elasticity, higher the proportion, higher the elasticity. You can say there is direct link between the proportion of total expenditure spent on the product with their elasticity or price elasticity of demand. Third, the next factor is nature of the product. See, the third factor is nature of the product. See the nature of products. What type of products available we have. Actually, you can categorize your product between or among three categories. Firstly, necessary. Second is comfortable. Necessary. Comfortable and luxurious product. Say, you can categorize your product among three categories. Necessaries, comfortable and luxurious. Compare the change in demand due to change in its price in all three types of category. You can easily imagine what will happen with which type of product. See the concept of necessities or necessary product. You can take an example of salt, medicine. Can you imagine what will happen if there is a rise in prices of salt or a medicine recommended by a physician or life-saving drugs? You will observe that there is lesser or no impact on change in price of this type of product because the product is necessary for survival of life of the people. So price doesn't matter for this type of product, or there is less impact on change in price of this type of product. So lower elasticity for necessaries. See the luxurious product. What are the luxurious products are? Gems and jewelry, automobile products, cars, etc. See, what will happen if there is sudden rise in price of this product like gems and jewelry and automobile products like a car? If there is change in price, obviously there is huge change in demand. Means higher degree of demand can be changed due to change in its price. As we know from the law of demand, lower the price, higher the demand, and higher the price, lower the demand. If there is rise in prices of product of an automobile product like cars, you can say there is high elasticity of demand due to fall in price of these products. There will be higher demand in the market, proportionately higher demand in the market, and due to rise in price of this product, proportionately there will be lower demand in the product in the market. So for the luxurious product, there is high elasticity. For normal, there is necessity, there is lower elasticity. But for higher luxurious, there is higher elasticity. It's lower and it's higher. For comfortable, it depends upon whether the product tends to be luxury or tends to be necessity. It is in between two. Comparatively, you can compare the demand for comfortable products like an electric fan, cooler, a scooter, etc. When you observe the impact on demand of this type of product, you found that comparatively lower in comparison to luxury, but higher in comparison to necessity. So, nature of demand, nature of product also impact elasticity of demand for the product. See the next habits. The factor is habit of the consumer. What the impact of habit there are two types of product on the basis of habit of the consumer, habitual and non-habitual. If you observe the demand for habitual product, you can say there is little bit impact or no impact on demand for habitual product due to change in its price. Because if one had to choose between two, one is habit, another is quality, price, cost, etc. People mostly affected by their habits, so they should have or they will have to prefer the habitual product, whatever the other situations are. It doesn't matter. जो habitual products हैं, उस habitual products के जो भी कंज्यूमर आपको मिलेंगे, उनको अदर फैक्टर्स की टेंशन कम रहेगी, अदर फैक्टर पे वो कंसीडर कम करें, because people are affected by their own habits. So since the product is habitual in nature, there is lower elasticity, but for non-habitual, here you can categorize between the products between two, habitual and non-habitual products. For habitual product, there is lower elasticity, and for non-habitual products, there is lesser elasticity. For habitual, there is lower elasticity, but for non-habitual, there is higher elasticity. See the next factor. Next factor is time period. Next factor is time period. As we discussed before, there is division of time between short run and long run. In the short run, there is inelastic demand, but in the long run, there is elastic demand. What the role of time? See the role of time. If you have to purchase a product within a month, what will happen? If you have to purchase a product within a month, means you have sufficient time of 30 days to select the product from the marketplace. You can search again and again the product from the market to purchase, because you have time of 30 days. But suppose you have time of 30 minutes to purchase a product. Can you imagine the situation in which you have only 30 minutes time? Suppose 1 year and they are admitted in hospital and your doctor recommend a medicine to purchase. How much time one should have to purchase the medicine at the point of hospital? They have to purchase the product quickly. So one may ignore to discuss or negotiate about the price. Whatever the product available at whatever the price at the nearest counter or medicine shop, one had to purchase. So time affected a lot of price elasticity of demand. You can say in the short run less elasticity, but in the long run high elasticity. Means in the long run consumer gets sufficient time to search or negotiate, bargain, whatever it is. They can look forward for suitable and convenient product from the market because there is sufficient time to select. But in the shorter period, there is lack of time, no need to search and bargain. So In case of short run, there is inelastic demand, but in the long run, elastic demand. See the usage of the product. Use of product. Single or multiple. Single and multiple use of the product. For single or few usage product, there is less elastic demand, but for the multi-use product, there is high elastic demand. Means if the product has multiple applications for the people, elasticity must be higher in nature. But for the product which has single utilization or a few utilization, the demand for that product is much more lesser in comparison to the product which has multiple utilization. So, on the basis of utilization of product, or you can say different utilization or number of utilization of product, elasticity of demand is affected. Higher the utility, higher the elasticity, lower the utility, lower the elasticity. See, the next factors. See the next factor. Level of income. On the basis of level of income, people categorize among three categories. Three categories are common. Middle class, versus low and rich class. See, we are keeping low and rich in the same category to compare. For middle income people, demand is more elastic. Whenever we talk about the bargaining, it is the subject of middle class people. Lower are incapable to bargain and rich people doesn't have to bargain. These two groups are two extreme group of society. They may ignore or doesn't require to bargain. Rich people अगर bargain करने जाएंगे, possible है उसी टाइम में उससे ज़्यादा अर्न कर लेंगे. This is the feature of rich class. So they ignore to bargain. You can take the example of people from our society like Mukesh Ambani. If he had to purchase one product, can you imagine he has sufficient time to bargain or to know about the price of the product? Your answer should be obviously no, because a lot of other engagement are there for such type of people. No need to bargain or consider about changing price of the product. So for this type of people, there is less elasticity of demand. Come to the bottom line class, poor class or poorest community. What type of product they purchase? Only the inferior product. The product in inferior quality is purchased by lower class. People may not aware regarding the concept of bargaining, or if they are aware, not capable to bargain. People have to purchase the product whatever available in their own surroundings. You can take example of people residing in extreme localities of our country. Extreme locality, अगर किसी विलेज को विजिट करोगे तो पॉसिबल है उस विलेज में 1, 2, 3, 4 स्मॉल शॉप्स होंगे, जो भी प्रोडक्ट उनके पास अवेलेबल होगी पुअर क्लास को वहीं परचेज कर लेंगे. सपोज करो अगर ऐसा नहीं करते हैं, उनकी चॉइस हो जाती है टू सेलेक्ट सम अदर प्रोडक्ट, दे हैव टू विजिट नियर बाय मार्केट एटलीस्ट. And to visit the nearby market, what they have to do? But they are unable to manage the transportation properly. Second, if they manage to go to the market, they have to sacrifice their work on the field of other people to raise the income. एक पॉसिबिलिटी है कि उनके पास मार्केट जाने की का कोई मीडियम ही नहीं है, उन्हें वॉक करके मार्केट जाना पड़े, या मार्केट जाने का जो कॉस्ट होगा वो बार्गेनिंग से ज़्यादा होगा, वो सेव कर पाएंगे, उससे ज़्यादा कॉस्ट बियर करनी होगी टू गो टू द मार्केट. सेकेंड, सपोज करो अगर उन्होंने मार्केट जाने की ठान ही ली, व्हाट ही हैव टू सेक्रीफाइस, ही और शी हैव टू सेक्रीफाइस द वर्क व्हाट एवर दे हैव टू डू इन द local area to raise the income, because they are the labor class. They have to depend on work available in their surrounding. So अगर ये मार्केट विजिट करने का प्लान करते हैं, they have to sacrifice the work to generate income. So it's a very difficult situation for those people to bargain the product or to select the other product from other place of the market. So again, they are lacking to have the knowledge of online shopping. So the demand of the type of people from lower class and rich class have lesser elastic demand, but for the middle class, see, they are categorized in between. They are aware, they have with their sufficient income as well as time to search and compare the product from different counters or different brands. So demand for middle class is more elastic. It is elastic or more elastic, but it is inelastic. Demand for rich and poor are more less elastic. See the next factor, level of pricing. Level of prices. What are the level of prices? First is highly priced and second is lower price. Highly priced product and low priced product. Highly priced versus low price. Say the demand for highly priced product and low priced product. If the price of the product is lower, then inelastic demand. Lower price product. Price is ₹1, ₹2 per unit, ₹3 per unit. अगर प्राइस चेंज भी होगी, डिमांड न के बराबर चेंज होगी, बिकॉज प्राइस इज मच लोअर. बट द हाईली प्राइस्ड प्रोडक्ट, प्राइस ऑफ अ कार, प्राइस ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेटर, टेलीविजन, स्मार्टफोन, पर्सनल कंप्यूटर एक्सेट्रा, price comparatively high. So for the high price product, demand is highly elastic, but for the low price product, demand is less elastic. Means elasticity of demand also affected by level of price. They directly higher the price, higher the elasticity, lower the price, lower the elasticity. So, dear student, a lot of other factors are available which can affect the price elasticity of demand. But for our syllabus, it's sufficient to discuss about 5, 6, 7, 8 factors. We already discussed about impact of 8 factors on price elasticity of demand. So, no need to explain more. If you command over the type of factors, you can attach more and more factors to deal with the price elasticity. You may capable to add more and more other factors and the impact of those factors on price elasticity of demand. So, for today, it's over now. Thanks all. In the next class, we will discuss about some methods of price elasticity of demand through numerical examples. So, thanks all again.